And now, ladies and gentlemen, our favorite guest, Julia Child.
Today, we are going to prepare one of my favorite dishes. It's the watermelon supreme. Now the tools, you're going to need a syringe. You're going to need a spoon. And now we take the egg to start with, and we break it into the bowl. And then we take some of the flour, about a teaspoon. You have to be very careful about this now. And about a teaspoon of the wine. Oh dear. We're going to inject the watermelon with an infusion. The French, I believe, call it an infusion. Anyhow, you need to drill a hole into the watermelon and inject the. That's not enough. 2 holes into the watermelon, and then you take the. What the hell is it? Take the wine. Put the wine into the watermelon, and you let it sit for about 3 or 4 hours. After you've had enough to eat and drink, and you're ready for dessert, I suggest then you cut it very delicately and present it to your friends. I'll be right back 1 moment.